Motorola launched the Moto Pad 60 Pro last April. More than a year later, the Lenovo-owned brand has unveiled its successor Moto Pad 70 Pro. It's powered by Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 SoC, comes with 8GB from 256GB storage. It runs Android 16 out of the box, and Motorola's promised 2 Android updates. Why, I don't know. Motorola says it supports 120 FPS gaming and comes with Smart Connect, which enables cross-device file sharing and seamless connectivity. It's built around a 13-inch 3.5K LCD display with 144 Hz refresh rate, 12-bit color depth, 800 nits high brightness mode, and Dolby Vision support. They have not revealed details about its actual brightness. It features two cameras. One is a 13 megapixel sensor on the back and 8 megapixel on the front. It comes with 10,200 mAh battery with 45 watt charging support, even though the brick in the box says 68 watt. It comes with a Moto Pen Pro stylus, but a snap-on keyboard is sold separately. You get quad JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos, micro SD card slot solution, PC mode, Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 but no LTE option. It is 6.2 mm thin, has a metal body, weighs 589 grams, comes in a single Pantone Titan color. It has two memory options, 8/128, 8/256, price at rupees 37,000 and rupees 40,000. The 8/256GB model will cost you 46,000 rupees when purchased with a snap-on keyboard as a bundle. It will be sold in India starting July 4th through Motorola's official website, Flipkart, and retail stores across the country.